Okay, in this lecture we're going to be talking about interfaces. So to explain what interfaces are, I'm going to create a new class. So class example and void x and look at this class right here. Now this class has a member which is in the name of x, and it's a method which has a return type of void, which means it returns nothing. And the next thing is string x2 and property int number. This class has three members. The first one is a void return type of a method, and the next is a string returning a method, and the next is a public property of int number. So the name does not matter and the return type is only matter. So this is basically a set of rules. An interface is basically a set of rules which apply to a class. So just like that we did in delegates lesson, delegates are for methods, so interfaces are for classes, and you can consider that. So I'm going to create a new example. I have a simple example for you to understand really basically. So it is something like this: your computer can play a song and your phone can. So the interface, I'm going to declare it right now. Public interface IPlayable public void play a song, and consider this I letter, the capital I letter in front of the interface's name, is just a convention, and it is used in most of the cases like IEnumerable, IEnumerator, and those kind of things, IComparable, and those kind of interfaces. And it is a convention and it's kind of a style, you can use it. So the next thing is I'm going to create a class, public class known as computer, which inherits from IPlayable, and it must have this function right here, public void play a song, which must match the function name and the return type. So this means this class obeys the rules of this interface because it inherits from this interface, and you can inherit multiple interfaces but not multiple classes. It is a different lecture, so let's stick to interfaces right now. So play song, this is gonna do something like this. Computer is playing a song. Anyway, the next thing is public class phone, which also inherits from IPlayable, which means it can play songs too. The next method is public void play a song, and console.write line, phone is playing a song. So this means the phone can play song and the computer can play song too, and both of these classes are obeying to the rule set of the interface IPlayable. So let's get to the usage of this method. So to implement this, I'm going to create a new method, public static void play IPlayable, as the argument device, and device.playSong. And as you can see, the device is an IPlayable type of thing, which means it supports both of these types, and it's like kind of inheriting from another class. And you must refer to the object-oriented programming tutorials that I have done, so in the same channel. So I'm going to do this right now. First of all, I'm going to declare my computer var my PC is equal to new computer, and var my phone is equal to new phone. First of all, I'm gonna play something with my PC to see if it works. Now it is working. So let's see if the phone works. My phone. And it is also working. This is because the usage of this is based on the IPlayable method, IPlayable type, and IPlayable applies to both of these classes, which means both of these classes are can be applied to this method. So it's kind of an object-oriented thing. Now I have explained what interfaces are, and I have created a simple example and showed you how you can implement interfaces into your projects. And so thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video.